So hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to Sumo Rock Luna, and for today's video, we will be reviewing the Medicom toy 1/6 scale action figure Kick-Ass, the real action hero, or Raw number 674. Okay guys, so you've watched my video, so medyo nakatakas lang si Kick-Ass, so hahanapin lang natin siya. And sa ngayon guys, teka lang ha, hihilahin ko lang siya sa gilid, medyo nahihiya eh. Yan, diyan ka muna Kick-Ass. So ayan guys, so this 1/6 scale action figure guys was released, if I'm not mistaken, May of 2014. So almost 11 years or a decade ago na release tong action figure na to. And at the same time, the film was released as well for the Kick-Ass movie, which is the Kick-Ass movie 2, around 2013. So, a year after the movie, tsaka rinelease ni Medicom Toys ang Kick-Ass 1/6 scale action figure. So, ayan na siya outside from the box dahil tumakas nga siya. So, ayan guys. For the close-up, ayan. So, from the head sculpt itself, for me, because we've been reviewing some 1/6 scale from the Kit Bash or a third party na action figure na 1/6 scale, and even Hot Toys. So this one guys, dahil 2014 na siya release, and it's a very old, sabihin natin, technology way back 2014 when they created this one. So hindi pa ganun kaganda. Alright, so let's say before, ito na yung medyo maganda for the real action heroes na action figure. But if you're gonna compare it from today, because we have Hot Toys action figures or other third party na lumalaban sa 1/6 scale, medyo na mada-downgrade na siya ang Medicom Toys na 1/6 scale na real action figures. Alright, so if you would notice sa head sculpt pa lang, okay naman siya, parehong-pareho siya sa mismong movie. Pero the eyes, I would say that it's all painted, and mahalata mo kasi talaga na sobrang painted siya. And this is made in plastic as well, but the sculpt okay na rin, napaka basic lang, simple lang guys. Yan, maganda naman ang joints niya so far, and medyo lighter ang Medicom Toys na real action heroes compare sa ibang third-party 1/6 scale figures and sa Hot Toys. Okay? Now, this is a cloth spandex naman. Napakaganda naman siya, in fairness. Gayan guys sa details from the movie ng Kick-Ass. Napakasimple lang naman kasi ang costume ni Kick-Ass, diba? Ayan. Pero, mag-iingat lang kayo dahil ito ay madaling masira. So, most probably mas maganda na minimal ang iyong mga articulation poses para sa kanya, to make sure na hindi mag-pleed or matatanggal ang dikit, alright, nitong lining na to, ng yellow lining sa costume ng spandex niya. Tsaka at the same time, medyo hindi maganda, for me opinion ko lang, yung sa shoulders niya, medyo parang hindi maganda yung pagkakagawa, kasi parang patusok, ayan, pag minumove. So far yan. And meron siyang kasamang 2 pairs of alternate hand, which is nasa loob ng box. And siya, hindi ko na ipapakita sa inyo guys, isang open palm at isang closed fist. And this is the gripping hand, yung current na linagay ko sa kanya, para may lagay yung kanyang weapon. Nakalimutan ko yung tawag sa weapon niya, pero I'll just call it a baton or Wait, check ko lang ha. Convo stick, yan. Yun yung convo stick niya. Ito yung convo stick niya. Meron din siyang lagayan. And ang kinaganda naman dito is kumbaga fully tighten yung pagkakadikit dito sa harness ng ang tawag nito? Convo stick. Okay. Napakasimple lang din ng weapon, guys. Yan. Kung titingnan ninyo. Diba? Parang arnis. Yan. Ang convo stick na to. Then, most likely, hindi na siya napapaltan. Di-zipper naman siya. If you would see here. Yan. Siguro medyo mahirap kung papaltan or lalaban siya. And then, I notice as well na may padding sa abdomen. So, most likely, points of articulation ito, nung linalaro ko siya earlier, is around mga 18 points of articulation. Very limited lang din kasi napaka-basic lang nung body sculpt niya. And limit din yung kanyang articulation dahil din sa kanyang spandex cloth type na costume. As you can see here. Nagre-retract pabalik kapag minove mo siyang backward. Alright? Then, meron naman siyang swivel din and as well, hindi mo siya masyadong magagamit dahil nga sa costume may limitation. Ayan. Kapag masyado mo siyang twist, pwede mag-torn or masira yung spandex ni Kick-Ass. And lalo na kapag in-overstretch mo siya. Ayan. Meron din siyang slight tight swivel. Napaka-slight lang. Then, yung kanyang boots, caterpillar, para sa akin. Kasi diba, medyo beige yellow ang dating niya yan. Very detailed naman siya. Pero yun nga, kung sanay kayo sa Hot Toys, medyo siguro marirate niyo siya around 6 or 7. But, for an added 1/6 scale movie action figure, I would say this one for me is still a badass na you can rate it at around 8 out of 10. Napaka-basic, simple lang, pero detalyado naman. Yan yung kinaganda sa kanya. So, ayan. So far, so good. Napakaganda ng figure na to. Para sa mahilig collect ng 1/6 scale figure, kahit napaka-basic ang kanyang tawag ito, ang kanyang details, maganda naman, sulit naman siya. So, medyo ganyan lang siya. Mamaya ko na aayusin, guys. Ayan. Pero dapat ito yung sa kamay. Medyo maskip. Pero okay lang. Overall, this is a great basic figure for a 1/6 scale. For a movie collector. And big shout out as well to Uno Toys and Collectibles. Big shout out, Sir Alwin. Thank you so much for this 1/6 scale movie figure na real action heroes from Medicom Toys. Alright. So again, guys, hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing and toy review for Kick-Ass 2. And by the way, guys, wala siyang stand. Yun. Wala siyang clear stand, but it can stand alone. Yan naman ang kinaganda dito sa real action figure. And again, guys, please do like and follow my page at Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube for more toy unboxing and reviews. So again, this is Sumurak Luna. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye! Kick-Ass! The main man! Yeah! Babush!